This is definitely giving more so quarantine, more so Zoom calls, you know, in-house, new life, at-home meetings. Not everybody's gonna see every single specs or every angle, if you know what I mean. So I definitely feel like this is definitely something I lean towards when it comes to my everyday type of living. And yeah, I've been loving it the last couple of weeks. I'm giving exactly that today. So if you'd like to know more specifics about it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, you guys, just jumping straight into it. This hair is super gorgeous. I know a lot of you guys are like, sis, why do you always say gorgeous or bomb? Like, legit, that's the words that I usually use every day. This hair is gorgeous, you guys. It is amazing. It's super fluffy. I wish that you guys could really legit feel super luscious and fluffy and super soft. I want to say out of 10, I'll give this hair like a 9.5. I'll tell you why 9.5 in just a few. But for now, let's just jump into the specs. So today I am rocking Westkiss hair, and this is the bonnet that it came with. So I believe I showed you guys a clip of how it looked like straight out the package, and it's pretty much the same thing. I legit did nearly nothing to this hair. I love hairs that are just super easy to maintain, just easy, like straight out the package type thing. This wig is definitely leaning towards that because it is a closure wig, and the length that I do got it in is 28 inches. Now the color did come in a natural color, you guys. I want to say this wig is definitely big head friendly. I'm a small head gal, and I feel like it could be a little bit more clutch onto my head. Hold no fear from my girls that have a small head. It definitely could fit, and it's definitely secured. It does come with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, along with adjustable straps. So that is definitely some factors that can give you the security that you will need, sis. Okay. Now for the texture that I do got it in, it is in the texture curly wavy. This hair is virgin human hair, you guys. As far as lace material, this lace is a Swiss based lace, you guys, and I do love it. I find that it comes off white in some angles, but for the most part it does blend in like a gem, which I love. I feel like if somebody's too close to you, they could possibly see it, but legit from this distance you won't see anything. As far as the parting, you're getting about I want to say a good 6 inches. It's pretty spot on. So 6 inches of parting space straight down the middle. And then of course this is a closure wig, you guys, so you're only getting up to here, and that is it. So this wig is really for my girls that's like, you know, really an everyday to go wig, or an everyday curly that's low maintenance. You really don't have to do much. I did deep condition this hair. I feel like when you add moisture and just take care of your products that you actually put your hard work and money towards, it does pay off in the long run. So please, you guys, aftercare and co-washing, washing routines does matter, because that will determine whether or not you have to do a whole lot when it comes to styling or not. So with this, I didn't have to do as much as styling because it gained so much luster from the deep conditioning that I went ahead and did for it. As far as application, it was fairly easy. I cut the lace, again, you guys, because it's a lace closure. It ends legit right here. So I went ahead and showed you guys exactly how it would look like if you were just to slap it on, or just, you know, kind of like do this front part. I feel like the closure wigs is definitely 2020, okay? This is definitely giving more so quarantine, more so Zoom calls, you know, in-house, new life, at-home meetings. Lace closures are low maintenance, easy going, super fast to apply, and you don't have to do much. Yeah, y'all, I like live for it. I love it. Now, as far as shedding, I've got minimum shedding and no tangling so far. So great. I've heard really good things about Westkiss hair, so I'll leave everything listed down below. This is definitely giving more so quarantine, more so Zoom calls, you know, in-house, new life, at-home meeting. Yeah, not everybody's gonna see every single specs or every angle, if you know what I mean. So I definitely feel like this is definitely something I lean towards when it comes to my everyday type of living. And yeah, I've been loving it the last couple of weeks. So yeah, y'all, I just figured I wanted to share it with you guys. As far as density is 180, you guys. I feel like I missed that somewhere along the line. I love the density for this length, especially on the 28 length. Too much density with the long hair, it just don't fit, but I feel like 180 is super perfect. It kind of shows the volume and the oomph of the hair, but not doing too much, where it's like manageable. So I do love that. This hair definitely could get bigger and bigger. As you guys could see, I'm gonna show you guys a clip. If you guys haven't seen in the beginning, you should see a clip of how it looked like wet. But yeah, this hair is a little bit on the pricey side, but I definitely feel like it's worth it. She is legit 9.5 out of 10 for me. Smash the like buttons if you are loving her, you guys. Let me know what y'all think about her down below in the comment section. Let me know, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, guys, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, till next time.